IdeaBuddy. In today's video, I'm going to review IdeaBuddy to find out its better features. So let's get started. First, IdeaBuddy is an AI-powered business planning software that helps entrepreneurs and startups turn business ideas into action. Now, we are going to talk about its positive point. It simplifies the business's planning processes by guiding users step by step through the process of creating a business plan, making it less overwhelming. It has user-friendly interface. The platform is noted for having a clear, organized and visually pleasing layout. It has strong financial tools. The financial plan tools such as profit and loss forecasting and cash flow projections are praised for being easy to use even for those without a financial background. It also has AI assistance. This feature is very helpful for brainstorming and generating copy, accelerating the process. It also saves time. Users report that the tool saving significant time compared to traditional methods of business plan writing. Now we have some cons. It has some geographic limitations. Some competitor analysis may be focused on US and European markets, which could be a drawback for businesses targeting other regions. The variety of options, while a positive for some, can be endless to others. It has limited AI usefulness. One review noted that while the guided plan is a strength, the other AI integrations are not as useful as the core planning features. So that's all about IdeaBuddy. I hope you find this video helpful, so drop a like and comment.